Welcome to Fresh Faces. In today's DIY beauty segment, I am going to show you a simple and an effective technique of making your dry frizzy hair into a smooth, silky and shiny hair texture by using a simple DIY shampoo. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So to prepare this DIY shampoo, take a clean mixing bowl. Now take the favorite shampoo of your choice. So I go for Tresemme HD Hairfall Defense. Now add this shampoo to this mixing bowl according to your hair length. So while using the shampoo, make sure that you use sulfate and paraben free shampoo. So let me add this shampoo to this mixing bowl. So to this shampoo, add the magical ingredient, which is sugar, which is easily available in everyone's kitchen. So add 1 spoon of sugar. Add 1 spoon of sugar to this shampoo and give it a fine mix. So mix these two ingredients thoroughly to form a thick paste. So after mixing sugar to the shampoo, you will be getting this consistency. If you want, you can add aloe vera gel also, which is highly optional. So this is the consistency which you will get. Your DIY shampoo is ready to go. Please note that this DIY shampoo is applicable to both men and women of all age group, and there is no side effects also. To the benefits of this DIY shampoo, the sugar which is present inside this shampoo actually exfoliates your scalp and removes the dead skin cells. Moreover, this sugar helps to nourish your scalp and makes your shampoo mild and less harsh. This promotes healthy hair too. During your hair bath, apply this shampoo and massage it thoroughly on your scalp and hair roots and rinse it with regular water. Then you can go with your favorite conditioner as well. So you can see a drastic difference on the very first usage of this shampoo. This method will make your scalp healthy as well. So make use of this shampoo once in a week to get a silky, super soft and shiny hair. I recommend this DIY shampoo to both men and women of all age group. The magical ingredient added to this DIY shampoo makes your hair look super soft and shiny from your dry frizzy hair. Tedious change on the very first usage of this shampoo. So after using this shampoo, please come back, leave a comment below. Moreover, this DIY shampoo makes your chemical products become less severe and mild. So I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please share my channel to your nears and dears if you find this channel helpful. So that's all for today's videos, dears. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.